Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jaya Education. Now we are going to learn and write 10-line essay on peacock. Let's start. 1. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. 2. It has 2 legs. 3. Its neck is long. 4. It has 2 small eyes. 5. It has blue feather. 6. It has crown on its head. 7. It dances in rainy season. 8. It lives in garden and forest. 9. It eats fruit, grains and insects. 10. It is the national bird of India. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.